Welcome to Digital No-Brainers, where we look at the quick and easy wins in digital marketing. Today we're going to look at Yoast SEO. That is a free plugin you can install on WordPress and a critical tool to achieve high Google ranking. I'm going to go straight over to the screen and show you how to use it. Once installed, it will show at the bottom of every WordPress page. Google indexes pages, not websites. So if you scroll to the bottom of a page, you will find the Yoast SEO section. You will see something that looks like a Google listing. That is what your page will look like on Google. This is the title tag, the meta description, important elements of how you get good ranking, but not what I'm going to show you. And if I scroll down, I'm going to show you something which I think is bad terminology by Yoast. They call it focus keyword for this page. That's not what they mean. What they mean is, what's your target search phrase? Because Google ranking is about relevance. How relevant is your page content to the search? And I've put an example in. I've gone for Yoast SEO training. Very important point to make. Google does not index words and letters. Those are binary numbers. Every letter on a computer is a binary number, and Google is looking at sequences of letters, keyword phrases, going to its database and seeing which ones mathematically match. That's relevance mathematically on Google. And so the order that you want your search phrase to be is important. I've gone for Yoast SEO training. If I come down, you'll see how we use the tool itself. Google immediately shows us, or Yoast does, problems, red lights, amber lights. If I scroll down a bit further, and green. We want green. It's a to-do list, a simple to-do list for you to go through and optimize this page. I'm going to use one example of how you go from red to green. Red light. I'm targeting Yoast SEO training. It says the focus keyword doesn't appear in the first paragraph of the copy on this page. Make sure the topic is clear immediately. I then have to fix that. I scroll up to the top and I look at the first paragraph and it says Yoast is a simple tool for WordPress users to turn SEO, that's one of my words, and Google ranking into a step-by-step process. Further help is available by signing up for our Yoast training. Two more of my words, but still a red light because the search I'm trying to rank for is Yoast SEO training. This sequence of letters, numbers, that's what I need to write in the first paragraph to go from red to green for that factor. And if I scroll down, you will see that it's gone. In fact, it has gone green. So if I scroll down to the bottom, the focus keyword appears in the first paragraph of copy. And that is Yoast SEO. And what you will have to do is go through those red lights and turn them green. Simple steps to get a much better Google ranking. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please do leave a thumbs up. That's really helpful to me. If you want to watch more of these tips and digital no-brainers, then do subscribe and you'll get alerted when I make the next one, which will be very soon.